subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Sir Abdul Sattar Khan, 11th English New Syllabus 2.3. There is another sky. Appreciation of the poem. Let's begin. Appreciation of the poem. About the poem, poet and title. The poem There is Another Sky by Emily Dickinson is one of concern for her brother. It indicates that he is away elsewhere and may be going through dark times. The poet speaks of a better place, hopeful and cheering, to which she suggests he should come back. The words inspire hope and encouragement to return. The theme of the poem. The theme is one of comparison of two places. One is gloomy, dim, colorless and lonely. The poet's brother may be in a place like this. She describes a serene, evergreen little forest under another sky with fresh flowers and humming bees. It is untouched by frost, and she tells him to come here. To come here under another sky with fresh flowers and humming bees. It is untouched by frost, and she tells him to come here. Poetic style, language, poetic devices used in the poem. The poem is a Petrarchan sonnet. The octave describes the cold, faded forest, while the sestet speaks of the warm, welcoming place, the poet's little garden. This kind of sonnet may have the rhyme scheme of A, B, B, A, A, B, B, A, C, D, E, C, D, E, or C, D, C, D, C, D. There may be variations also. In this poem, the rhyme is apparent clearly in several instances and is slanted in other cases. Dickinson often used slant rhyme. This means that sometimes the words at the line end do not rhyme exactly but only approximately. Touch the flowers which never fade. The ideas is only hinted at and we cannot be sure. Message, values, morals in the poem. The poem could be a message of hope. It is a poem to entice the poet's brother back home. It is a message to her brother who is away and would encourage him not to give up in case he was in despair. This shows the poet was concerned about the well-being of her sibling. Your opinion about the poem? The poem is short and is not difficult to understand, but there seems to be layers of meaning. The immediately obvious meaning and then the figurative interpretation if we look more deeply.